Today we'll discuss how we can insert rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, yesterday we have discussed how we can show the number line, how we can locate the rational numbers on the number line. Avika, go through with the video once again. Right? Mishika, take your seat properly. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed first question only of this exercise, how we can insert the rational numbers on the number line, how we can locate it. Okay, today we'll discuss how we can insert it in between two rational numbers. Suppose I'm having this rational numbers 2 by 3 and I'm having 4 by 5. Suppose these are two examples. They are saying question will be insert any two rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. Insert any 2, any 3, any 5, any 10. Okay, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, so if the denominator will be same, then you can easily locate. If the denominator will be different, then you have to take LCM. Okay, and you have to make them same. The denominators should be same, right? Yudvi rates Blossom, sit properly in the class. Sit straight in the class. Okay. So first question, please listen this concept very carefully because this is very important concept. How we can insert rational numbers. This is very important concept. I'm going to start with the question 2 of the exercise 1E. Today we are going to discuss 1E exercise. Last exercise it is of this first chapter. Question second is how we can insert or find the rational numbers between 1 and 5 and 2 by 3. These two rational numbers are given. They are saying find a single rational number between these two rational numbers. We have to insert a single rational number between these two rational numbers. Right? So how we can do? First of all, check their denominators. It is 5, it is 3. Both are different. So you have to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 3. That will be 15. LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. Right? Now, after that, write here 1 by 5. In the next line, write 2 by 3. Okay? Now multiply. I'll multiply with which rational number, with which number, so that 5 into that number will be 15. 5 into that number will be 15. Yes, it is 3. 5 3s are 15. So 3 multiply here and 3 you have to multiply in numerator. Okay, so it will be 3 1s are 3. Okay, so this is your first rational number. Your second. Now you have to multiply with which rational number so that here in the denominator it will be 15. Yes, very good. 5. So 3 into 5, 15. And again 5 will be here. 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. You have to make the denominator same. Both denominators should be same. Okay, so how we can make it same? Take LCM. After LCM, you have to check it out that I have to multiply and divide with which number so that my denominator will be 15. Here also. Okay, so if you are multiplying here with 3, here also you have to multiply with 3. If here you are multiplying with 5, here also multiply with 5. Okay, now we are having these two rational numbers. 3 by 15 and 10 by 15. Now you can insert any one rational number between these two rational numbers. After 3 by 15, what number will come? 4 by 15, then 5 by 15, then 6 by 15, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is here. So you can insert any rational number. Okay, give me answer which number I'll insert in between these two. Which number I'll insert? 4 by 15, 5 by 15, 7 by 15, any one. Yes, question is only one number you have to insert. Yes, some are saying 6 by 15, some are saying 7 by 15, 4 by 15, any number you can insert. Okay, when you are inserting rational numbers, your answers will not match with the back of the book. Okay, might be they have inserted some other number and you are going to insert some other number. Because so many numbers lie between these two rational numbers. Okay, so suppose I'm writing I'm writing 5 by 15 or 4 by 15. This is a number that I have inserted between these two rational numbers. So this is my answer. This is my answer. Any doubt? Aniket, Swayam and Konark, 8th Florence. Continuously I'm watching you. You are not sitting properly in the class. Konark, sit properly in the class. Swayam, fine. Okay. Any doubt is there in this question? Any doubt is there? That how we can insert a rational number between these two rational numbers. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Okay, so this is a question. This is a question. 1 by 5, 2 by 5. They're saying you have to add or you have to find a single rational number between these two rational numbers. Okay. After a few minutes, I'll unmute anyone and I'll ask you what are the steps. Okay. Now, you have to take LCM of the denominators. LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. This is the LCM. Now, you have to make the denominators 15. Okay, in both the cases. So, you have to multiply with 3 and 3 here. So that 5 3s are 15 and 1 3s are 3 will be there. Okay, here also you have to multiply with any number so that denominator will be 15. So I'll multiply 3 with 5. If I'm multiplying here with 5, here also I have to multiply with 5. Okay, now answer will be 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Now see, both the denominators are same, that is 15 and that is the LCM. Okay, now you are having these two numbers, these two rational numbers. Now you can insert any number in between these two, any rational number. It may be 4 by 15, 5 by 15, 6 by 15, 7, 8, 9 by 15. Okay, any doubt? Kanwar Pratap, you can leave the class. Discussion is more important. It's clear, everyone? It's clear to everyone? Can I ask anyone that what are the process, what are the procedure, how we can insert rational numbers? Okay. Aditya Dabur, 8th Blossom. Aditya Dabur, 8th Blossom.
You unmute me, ma'am.
Aditya Dabur, I have unmuted you.
Am I Abhuday?
Abhuday. Right. No worries. Abhuday, you tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
You tell me if I have to insert any one rational number between two rational numbers. Right. So first of all, what will be my step?
Ma'am, first we have to take out the LCM of the denominator.
Very good. Very good. After that?
Ma'am, after that, ma'am, we have to make the denominator same of both the rational numbers.
Very nice. Very nice. And after that, you can insert any rational number. How many rational numbers can lie between any two rational numbers? 1, 2, 3 or up to so on. How many?
Ma'am, it depends on the numerator.
Yes, yes. Very nice. Very nice. Love Dora, that is also fine. It's infinite. Very nice. Excellent. And mute yourself, Abhuday. Okay. Now, for the next question, I'll ask. Be ready. Aniket. Be ready. Next turn will be yours. So, this is the question. The way you can insert the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. I want to ask everyone, first of all, it's clear to everyone? This concept was clear? Right. Okay. Now next question is question third. Question third is find two rational numbers between -4 and -3. Okay, these two, they are saying find any two rational numbers. Two rational numbers you have to find out. Okay. Can I write -4 as -4 upon 1? And can I write -3 as -3 upon 1? The denominators will be same. That will be 1 and 1. Yes. Okay. Now, so first of all, tell me both the denominators are same. Okay, I told you that you have to make denominators same. Okay, now see that it is minus 4 upon 1, it is minus 3 upon 1. Okay, both denominators are same. Okay, but still we can't insert two rational numbers. Okay, minus 3 and minus 4, they are coming immediately after the other. Okay, there will be no rational number lie between these two. They are coming immediately after the other. So in this case, you have to multiply with any same number, both the sides, with any same number, so that we can compute how many rational numbers will lie in between these two. Fine, suppose I am going to start with 2. 2 and 2 here, 2 and 2 here. It will be 4 2s are minus 8. Okay, it will be 1 2s are 2. My denominators are same now. 1 2s are again 2 and minus 3 2s are minus 6. So it is minus 8 upon 2 and it is minus 6 upon 2. How many rational numbers will lie between these two? Minus 6 upon 2, minus 8 upon 2. Only one rational number, that is minus 7 upon 2. So we can't multiply with 2 by 2. We can't multiply with 2 by 2. Because if I multiply with 2, both the sides, numerator and denominator, I will get only one rational number. But I want two rational numbers. Right? Please try to understand the concept. I want two rational numbers. In this case, I'll get only one. So I have to multiply with other number. So this is minus 4 upon 1. This is minus 3 upon 1. I am going to multiply with 3 by 3. Okay, let's take it out. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12 divided by 3. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9 divided by 3. Okay, so these are the two rational numbers. In between these two, I can insert two rational numbers in between these two. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so it is minus 12 upon 3. It is minus 9 upon 3. How many numbers we can insert? Just wait. I want to unmute someone. Then I'll ask. Please be active in the class. Amanat 8 Florence. Amanat 8 Florence. Some students are joining the class right now. It's very late. Okay. Love Dora. You tell me. Good morning. Love, tell me how many in these two cases, two rational numbers are possible that we can insert in between these two. Is it possible? So can you tell me which two rational numbers I can insert in between these two?
Minus 10 upon 3 and minus 11 upon 3.
Very good. Minus 10 upon 3, minus 11 upon 3. Very good. So these are the two rational numbers that we can insert in between these two. Very good. Please mute yourself. Avika, just wait. Avika, it depends upon the numerator. Okay, if you will multiply with 2 by 2, yes, your denominators will be same, 2 and 2, but you have to check it out the numerators. Okay, earlier which I have multiplied, in that case only one number was possible. Okay, but I have to insert 2, so you can multiply with the next number, 3 by 3. If again it is not possible, you can multiply with 4 by 4, then 5 by 5, then 6 by 6, or 10 by 10. Okay, you can multiply in this way, right? So in this way you have to multiply and you can check it out how many rational numbers will lie between these two. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Araf, 6th student in the class. It's clear, everyone? Alright. Okay. Now next question, question 4th. These all questions I'm going to do in the class because these are different questions. Okay. So please do practice once again at home whatever questions we are doing in the class. Do practice of examples also and the extra questions also. Okay. Next question is find 5 rational numbers. Between 3 and 4, you have to insert 5 rational numbers. Okay, between these two numbers. So can I write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 as 4 by 1? Can I write 3 as 3 by 1, 4 as 4 by 1? Okay, now I can insert 5 rational numbers. Now please tell me with which number I'll multiply or divide. With which number? Yeah, 4 is also possible. Okay, let's take it out. On 4 or 6. Okay. Okay, let's take on 10. If I'll multiply with 10, let's take it out. Okay, if I'll multiply with 10, then check it out. 3 tens are 30 and 1 tens are 10. Okay, 4 tens are 40 and 1 tens are 10. Right? So I am having 30 upon 10 and 40 upon 10. 40 upon 10. I am having now these two rational numbers. In between these two, can I insert any 5 rational numbers? Is it possible? Can I insert any 5 rational numbers? Okay. Let me ask. Anshuman, it's awesome. Anshuman, it's awesome. Please tell me how many numbers, rational numbers we can insert in these two rational numbers. Quickly. Next turn will be Lakshita. Lakshita, it's awesome. A pop-up is there with you that you have to unmute yourself. Okay? Whosoever I'm sending a message, you have to unmute yourself. Manushi, Blossom, you tell me. Unmute yourself. Quickly. If a message has come to you, you have to unmute yourself. Purva. Tell me quickly, quickly. Otherwise, you have to send message to me. Okay, let me read the messages. Okay, just wait. Okay. Okay, send me message. Okay, I'll ask you. Might be you are having some problem. You are not able to unmute yourself. I'm sending messages to you. Okay, so how many numbers are possible? How many rational numbers are possible in between these two? Please tell me quickly. 2 are possible, 3, 4, 5, Simarpreet. How many are possible? Give me message. Yes, Rakshit, Swayam, Kavar, Shraddha, Chaitanya. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. So, there are how many numbers possible? 31 upon 10, 31, 32, 33, 34 up to 39. Okay, there are 9 rational numbers possible in between these two. Okay, so we can insert any one. We can insert any one. Suppose I am inserting 31 upon 10, 32 upon 10, 33 upon 10, 34 upon 10, 35 upon 10. Enough. because we want only 5 rational numbers, so these are enough. Okay, right? So in this way we can insert any 2, 3, 5, 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Aditya Davar, are you listening? You are continuously writing. There is no need to write anything. Understand the concept. All the questions are based upon different concept. Okay? Now, the last question is fifth question, that is insert 10 rational numbers. You have to insert 10 rational numbers. Fifth question, this is the last question of this exercise, that is find 10 rational numbers between -3/4 and 7/6. Now you can see that these two rational numbers are given. Both are having different denominator. Can I ask anyone? Please check it out. If I'm asking you to unmute yourself, please you have to unmute. Okay? Okay. Angel 8 awesome. Angel 8 awesome. Angel, please. Yeah, good morning. Please tell me, if I have to insert any 10 rational numbers, first of all, my first step will be what?
Ma'am, take out LCM of 4 and
Very good. You have taken out the LCM of 4 and 6. Please tell me everyone, what will be the LCM of 4 and 6? Very good. LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Why you have taken out the LCM of 4 and 6? Why? How means how you have taken out?
Ma'am, so that it becomes easy for us to find out the rational numbers between them.
Because the denominators were different in the question. Denominators were different, that's why we have taken out the LCM. Okay, so that we can make them equal. Right? Very nice. Mute yourself, Angel. Okay, now I am writing here -3/4 and I am writing here 7/6. Okay, now please tell me, I'll multiply with which number so that here I'll get 12 and here also I'll get 12. Here I'll multiply with which number? With which number? In the numerator and denominator. Yes, very good. 3 and 3. -3 into 3, that is -3 into 3 -9, and here 4 3s are 12. Okay, this is my first number, first rational number. Now here I'll multiply with which number? Very good, 2. Rasham, very good. 2 here and 2 here. Okay, 7 2s are 14 and 6 2s are 12. Now these are the two numbers, -9/12 and 14/12. Is it possible to insert 10 rational numbers? Is it possible to insert 10 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers? Some are saying yes, some are saying no. It's possible. It's definitely possible. Okay. How? It is -9. It is +14. After -9, what will come? -8. Then -7. -6. -5. -4. -3. -2. -1. Then 1. Then 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So many numbers we can add in between these two, but we have to insert only 10. Okay, so let me write. It is -9/12 and it is 14/12. Okay, first number will be -8/12, -7/12, -6/12, -5/12, -4, -3, -2. Okay, -1, then 1/12, then 2/12, then 3/12. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enough. And the last was 14/12. These are the two rational numbers in between these two we have to insert any 10 rational numbers. Any 10 rational numbers. Yes, Nirav. Around 14 to 15 are possible. Okay? Just let me check your messages. Just wait. Hardik, it's not necessary that you have to keep the numbers in the order. It's a very good question. Hardik is asking, is it possible that we have to insert all the numbers in the order? No. Okay, you can skip any numbers and you can write any other numbers in between these two. Right? So it's not necessary. Okay, so it's clear to everyone? It's clear? Okay, and I want to tell you whose videos are off in the class today. They will be marked absent because we are taking the attendance continuously in the classes. Okay, videos we are recording. So if your videos will be off, you will mark absent. Switch on the video quickly, everyone. Okay, one student is saying that please explain the number line. Yesterday we have done number line concept. I just want to tell you example, okay, through the number line, how you can locate the points on the number line. Right? Suppose I am doing example question first, I am doing third part. Right? It is 2 by 3. It is given you in a mixed fraction. So how you can locate this mixed fraction on the number line? On the number line. Okay. First of all, this will be a 0. Here all negative number will come. Here all positive number will come. Okay. Yuvansh and Tarisha, please adjust your camera properly. This is your mixed fraction. This mixed fraction you have to locate on the number line. So please take it out. It is 2 by 3. It means it will lie in between. This is 1, this is 2, and this will be 3. It will lie between 2 and 3. Yes or no? 2 something. 2 and something. It means it will lie between 2 and 3. Okay? Now, 2 and 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means, check it out the denominator. These many fractions you have to make. These many partitions you have to make. This is 1, this is 2, and this is third. Okay, so I have made 3 partitions. Partitions you have to make, that only depends upon the denominator. And now check it out the numerator. Numerator is 2. That will be the number where you have to locate the rational number. Okay, this is 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So this will be your location of this fraction. Is it clear to everyone? From the denominator you have to make the partitions. From the numerator you have to locate the number exactly on that position. Right? And if here 2 is there, if here 5 is there, suppose here 5 is there. So it means it will lie between 5 and 6. If here 6 is there, it means it will lie between 6 and 7. Right? Okay? So in this way you can locate your rational numbers between any two numbers. Okay? So this was the concept of number line. I have explained yesterday also, and today we'll discuss the insertion of the rational numbers. So please go through with the videos and PDF once. And it's still, if you will face any doubt while solving the question, then you can ask me anytime. Now I want to discuss the squares and cubes. Today this chapter 1 is complete. Okay? Tomorrow we'll start with the next chapter. And you have to submit your PDFs. Please note down. Please note down the date. Submit the PDF. Okay? Today I have completed this chapter. Okay? Wednesday, today Wednesday is there. Okay? I'm giving you Thursday. So you have to send all the PDFs to me on Friday. On Friday, everyone has to submit their maths for your notebook to me. Okay? This first chapter should be complete there. Till exercise 1E. Nirav 6 to 8. Jaskaran 6 to 8 in the class. Jaskaran 8 Florence. Your video is post. Okay, now let's start. Yesterday we have discussed 1 to 10, okay, squares. I'm going to ask you now square of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, I'll call the names one by one. Then you have to answer me. Avni, sit straight in the class. Okay. Let me check. Shagun 8 Florence. Please tell me the square of 9. Square of 9. Shagun 8 Florence. Yes, love, nice. The names I'm calling, they have to answer me immediately. Yashika, Keshav, right. Mishika, Shagun, right. Very good. That is 81. Okay. Now, I'm calling some names. Shraddha, 8, awesome. Please tell me the square of 11. Immediately. No one will calculate. These are very, very easy. Please try to learn these squares and cubes. Okay, daily I'm going to ask you. Tanvi, Tushika, Aniket, Anshuman, Rakshit, Kashav, Abudya, Lovedora, Shraddha, very nice. Nice. It is 121. 11 into 11, that is 121. Okay. Now next. Next is Gauri 8 Florence. Gauri 8 Florence. Please tell me the square of 12. Quickly. Quickly. Yuvansh and Tarisha, next will be your turn. Okay? Be ready. Okay. Cover, right. Aniket, Krishna, Nikhil, Tushika, Dipanshu, Dharya, right. Lakshita, Mishika, very good. Mankirat, right. Abhudya, Keshav, right. Gauri, where is your answer? Swayam, right. Anshuman, Angel, Rakshit. Yes. You don't know Gauri, the square of 12? Yes, yes. Correct. That is 144. Very good. Okay. Now, next turn will be Jaskirat Singh. Jaskirat Singh. Please tell me the square of 14. Quickly. Jaskirat Singh. Square of 14. Yes, yes, quickly. Very good. Most of you are giving immediately answers and that are correct. Very nice. Kanav. Right again. Avika, Aniket, Rakshit, Lakshita, Angel, Krishna, cover, right. Mannat, no. I asked of the 14. Mannat. Nikhil, right. Lovedora, Mankirat, right. Kanav, right. Kanav, no. Answer is not right. Hardik, yes. Swayam, no. Jaskirat, where is your answer? Yes, yes, correct. I can't call all the names. All are giving the correct answers. Okay, next turn will be of Yudhvir 8 Blossom. Yudhvir 8 Blossom. Give me answer of 13. 14 square is 196. Now give me 13 square. Quickly. 13 square. Very good. Whose answer is wrong, I'm calling that name only, okay? Rest are giving the correct answers. Arush, your answer is wrong. Rest all have given the correct answer. Very good, very nice. Yes, yes, yes. Good. Very good. So 13 square will be 169 and 14 square will be 196. Some are getting confused in these two. Okay. Now tell me last 15 square. This one 15 square, everyone. Very good. Just Kirat, give me answer. Yuvansh and Tarisha, give me answer of 15. 15 square is quickly. Yes. Very good. I can't call all the names. You are giving correct answers. Very good. Those who are giving wrong, I'm calling the names, okay? All have given the correct answers. Nice. So 15 square is equal to 225. 10 square is very easy, that is 100. 8 square is very easy, that is 8 square will be 64. 8 8s are 64. Very good. Now let me recall the concept of cubes. I'll ask you any 2 or 3, okay? 9 cube, then you have to give me 11 cube and then 12 cube. Rest I'll discuss by tomorrow in the class. 9 cube is 9 cube, everyone. 9 cube 729. Very good. 9 9s are 81 into 9, that is 729. Very good. 11 cube, everyone give me answer. 11 cube. Very good. Swayam, Hardik, very good. Dipti, correct. Tushika, Abudya, cover, very nice. 11 cube is 1331. Very good. Last 12 cube. 12 cube is, tomorrow I'll call your names again. Abudya, Hardik, very good. Mishika, right. Tushika, right. Anshuman, right. Dipanshu, right.